Hello guys, today I have an amazing tool called VidIQ. By using this tool you can grow your YouTube channel very faster, because by using this tool you can get the best SEO friendly titles, description, tags, keywords, video ideas, everything for free. Yes guys, it's for free. Okay, let me show you this tool. First you have to do is search VidIQ.com in Google, then press enter. It will redirect you to their page. You can see guys, it's their page. Okay, here in top of the menus you can see the all tools. From here you can generate everything for your YouTube videos, like ChatGPT for YouTube. You can generate titles for your YouTube videos, then channel name generator, YouTube video ideas, then content generator, video script generator, video description generator, and the most important, it can generate tags for YouTube videos. Okay, let's try some of these features, like YouTube title generator. Let me go there, and they're telling to give a topic about my videos. Okay, let me show the giving this topic is step-by-step guide how to grow our YouTube channel faster than generate. Let's see what type of titles do they generate. Okay guys, you can see this generates a lot of title for our videos, like 10 proven strategies to grow your YouTube channel quickly, then the unlimited guide to increase subscribers on YouTube channel. Okay guys, here you can see they give us a lot of title for our videos, and all of these are SEO friendly. Then let's see the another tools is YouTube keyword generator, YouTube tag generator. Let's say about YouTube tag generator, what type of tag they are generate for us. Let's give them the same topic because it's easy to understand to us. Okay, you can see guys, they generates a lot of tags for us, like YouTube growth strategies, YouTube SEO tips, YouTube audience engagement, YouTube channel branding. You can see guys, they generates a lot of tags for our YouTube videos, and if I use these tags to our videos must viral. Then let's check another option is like YouTube description YouTube description generator. Let's generate description in the same topic. Let's generate it. Is loading. Okay guys, you can see it generate a description for our YouTube video. You can copy this from here and then paste to your description icon. Okay guys, let's see a best feature of it. Let me sign in from here. If you want to sign in, you can sign in because it's free. Okay, it's load for a few seconds. Then you can see guys, it redirect me into its dashboard. Then here it has some other features, like you can get daily ideas, then you can get the best keywords. Let me search keywords. Okay, let me search here about like faceless channel, then press enter. Then you can see guys, in here it's showing us the search volume. The search volume is 74,843. that means it is a valuable topic. And here you can see the competitions. If I change the keyword YouTube, like YouTube faceless CHALL channel GROWTH, then press enter, then it will show the search volume is medium. It's also good, the competition is also good. Then if I here they are showing some related keywords like faceless YouTube channel ideas. If I click in here, they will show the search volume here, and it also shows about this topic, the thumbnail, the titles, and everything about this topic. So guys, by using this tool you can easily grow your YouTube channel faster. Bye bye guys.